first step forward, sun just waking up. Morning breeze hits my face and my heart lights up. Passing through the green fields, dew drops slow. Birds flying low, singing peace as they go. Clear river flows, carrying last night's story. Forest hums a melody, wrapping me in glory. This ain't a journey to find who I should be, but proof that God is real in the beauty I see. Every step I take